In this episode of Let Me Be Real with You, did you know that in TikTok affiliate marketing, they actually copy after network marketing business, one of the business process. Let me explain. In network marketing, especially when you actually decided to be a business partner with any network marketing brand, you are signing up with a business account, and this allows you to buy products for yourself, and you actually get paid commission when you are doing so. And in comparison, it is actually the same when you are an affiliate marketer having your own TikTok shop. So let's dive deeper. I'm actually referring to you about TikTok shop for creators. Another way to understand the meaning of TikTok shop for creators, meaning when you actually apply and being approved by TikTok to start your own TikTok shop for creators, you are another way to understand it, you are now an affiliate marketer partnering TikTok. So when you have such a shop, TikTok shop for creators, to be specific, you can actually bring in the products from TikTok marketplace, and the way to benefit to the fullest from it is from that moment onwards. Take for example, you want to buy this mic that I'm using now by the brand Zil Sound, right? Instead of buying from somewhere else in the TikTok marketplace, now you can go to your shop, click on the link that you have actually added this product into your TikTok shop, right? Buy through that link through your own TikTok shop. And when you do that, the benefit that you are getting is not just about having the product at a discount. You have additional benefit just like what you are enjoying when you are running a network marketing business. Meaning, when you buy the product through your own shop, TikTok and the supplier actually pay you commission when you are actually buying the product for yourself. Not someone bought it. You bought it for yourself. And when you check in the back office, after you complete the transaction, right, completed your purchase, the commission of this product will be paid to you, because at the same time, you are no longer just a customer. You are also an affiliate marketer making commission, partnering TikTok. Well, to help you understand better, right? Let me show you in my own TikTok app. Here we go. Okay, right now you're seeing the profile of my TikTok app, and let's go to the place whereby I'm going to show you my TikTok shop for creator. Click on TikTok Studio. Next, scroll downwards. Select TikTok shop for creator. Next, manage showcase. So you'll be seeing a list of the products that you have added and taken off from the TikTok marketplace. Take for example, this microphone that I shown you earlier on. right? So now you have actually extract this information about this product from your own TikTok shop directly. That means you are not having this information from elsewhere, but from your own TikTok shop. Now, what you are going to do if you want to enjoy the affiliate marketer commission by buying from your own TikTok shop, right? You go through this step to arrive here. There is a buy button. Click on the buy button. Select your final product. Take for example a white color. Then you go with buy now. Once you did that, finish up with placing the order. Okay, when the transaction is successful, of course I'm not going to proceed. It's just for demo purpose to let you understand my explanation. So you go through this step. The moment you have confirmed and successful transaction has been reflected in your app, next you can go in to check in your back office by going back to the TikTok shop for creator again, the option, right? Check the earnings over here. Affiliate orders. And it will reflect under pending commissions over here as what you have seen now. Of course, this is showing another product that is bought by another customer, right? But it will be reflected here, okay? So I hope this short demo and detailed explanation help you to understand, right? One of the secret insider info that not other creators, I have not found any creators made a video that talk to you about this. But when you follow me in Real Canfu Digital channel, these are the educational information I'll be sharing with you, because let's get real. And last but not least, join my live stream, my weekly live stream. You will learn even more of such secrets in the digital marketing space that you may not get it elsewhere, or it's only through paid coaching you will get it. But in my TikTok live stream, you can get this kind of educational insider secrets for free. I look forward to seeing you in my next live stream.